Good morning, this is Group 18's presentation. Our topic is cloud storage. In part 1, I'd like to introduce some of the concepts of cloud storage. Cloud storage is a mode of data storage in which the digital data is stored in logical pools. The physical storage spans multiple servers and often locations, and the physical environment is typically owned and managed by a hosting company. These cloud storage providers are responsible for keeping the data available and accessible, and the physical environment protected and running. People and organizations buy or lease storage capacity from the provider to store user, organization, or application data. Cloud storage service may be accessed through a located cloud computer server, like a web server application programming interface. We call it API. Or by applications that utilize APIs such as cloud desktop storage, a cloud storage gateway, or web-based content management systems. In part 2, here is some problem during company use a local storage, so they want to use the cloud storage. Part of companies have to face a problem, which is that the large corporations usually have multiple branch or subsidiaries throughout the country and even overseas. But the traditional centralized IT architecture is no longer able to meet the needs that are transmitting nearby in one branch to the other of the whole company. On the other hand, not enough storage space is other virtual issue. When talk about what makes you thinking the market need and even want, I would like to introduce a list of features of cloud storage. The first one is usability. All cloud storage service reviewed in this topic has desktop floaters for Macs and PCs. This allows user to drag and drop the fields between the cloud storage and their local storage, like personal PC. Second, bandwidth. You can avoid email fields to individual and instead just send a web link to receptionist through your email. The third is accessibility. Stored fields can be accessed from anywhere via internet connection. The first is disaster recovery, which I want to talk about more. It is highly recommended that business have an emergency backup plan ready in the case of an emergency. Cloud storage can be used as a backup plan by business by providing a second copy of important fields. These fields are stored at a remote location and can be accessed through an internet connection. Last but not least, cost saving. Business and organization can often reduce annual operating costs by using cloud storage. Cloud storage costs about 3 cents per bit to store data internally. User can see additional cost saving because it does not require internal power to store information remotely. Moving to target audience, multiple users have two needs when it comes to cloud storage service. One hand, business demand cloud storage with features designed to control security and field access permissions for multiple users. On the other hand, individuals need cloud storage designed to make fields easily shared with friends by inviting other users to see their data like the short video and photographies. Whether you need cloud storage for business or personal use, always be sure to use a provider with strong security. My team member would introduce this part detailed in business model. The last part, we want to talk about the promotion of cloud storage service. Finding a cloud storage provider is easy, but finding one with a lot of storage space and all the features you require is much more difficult. Finding the best cloud storage provider with plenty of free spaces is very, very important, so you won't have to travel the cloud storage jungle alone. As a new cloud storage providers often offer generous free storage plans to get more users, but they soon get discontinued. Even Microsoft did it. Not to mention that with new provider, there is always a risk of entire company shutting down. So here list two principles we how to promote our cloud storage service. First one, providing free large storage spaces. Cloud client start by analyzing how much the storage spaces will need, and they decide how much privacy you require. If the files you want to storage on the cloud are critical, and you are only looking for the thinking. On the other hand, if clients are looking for more space, web and mobile interface, and automated backups, but end-to-end encryption isn't something you don't need, then developing multiple interface windows can be an excellent choice. This is our presentation about cloud storage service.